Hello everyone, I am Dr. Soni Mary Varghese, Assistant Professor in Education from Peet Memorial Training College, Mavelikara, Kerala. This video gives you a clear idea about the two initiatives attempted by MHRD, Government of India, towards the academic integrity. They are UGC Care and Shodh Shuddhi. UGC has set up a consortium for academic and research ethics on 28th November 2018 to ensure prevention of academic misconduct, thereby to improve the quality of academic writing among students, faculties, and researchers. In this video, I am going to share with you the objectives of UGC CARE, about the journals in the CARE list, and the benefits of following UGC CARE by various stakeholders. Moreover, I'll show you how to register with UGC CARE and how to recommend a journal to UGC CARE. At the end of the video, a brief note on Shodh Shuddhi is also provided. Let's see what are the objectives of UGC CARE. The major objectives of UGC CARE are: number 1, to promote quality research by the faculty members and creating credible research. Second, to promote academic and research integrity and publication ethics. Third, to promote high quality publications in reputed journals that would help in achieving higher global ranks. Fourth one, to develop an approach and methodology for identifying good quality journals. Fifth, to prevent publications in substandard journals or predatory journals which reflect adversely and tarnish the image of Indian academia. And the last one, to create and maintain a CARE reference list of quality journals for various academic purposes. What is UGC CARE Empowered Committee? UGC has formed the Empowered Committee, UGC CARE EC, to supervise the functioning of UGC CARE. The same committee is governing the activities of UGC Cell for Journal Analysis at Savitribai Phule Pune University SPPU to create and maintain the UGC CARE list. InflipNet Center, Gandhinagar, is serving as a supporting agency for this work. UGC CARE list of journals. There are two groups under the UGC CARE list of journals, Group 1 and Group 2. Group 1 includes journals found qualified through UGC CARE protocols. Group 2 includes journals indexed in globally recognized databases. The two databases that CARE list has access is Web of Science and Scopus. In addition, MLA directory journals or Modern Language Association journals is also added. As per July 4th statistics, there are 946 journals in the UGC CARE list Group 1, and in the CARE list Group 2, there are 24,749 journals from Web of Science, 38,192 journals from Scopus, and 163 journals from MLA directory. The following slides will give you a clear idea about the total number of journals in education as per the two groups in the UGC CARE list. About 2,434 journals in education is UGC CARE listed. That is 934 from Web of Science, 1,449 from Scopus, 13 from MLA, and 38 from UGC CARE first list. Updation of UGC CARE list. The UGC CARE list is dynamic. It is updated quarterly. that is on the 1st of January, April, July, and October, or on the next working day if there is a public holiday on these dates every year. What are the benefits of following UGC CARE protocol? The major stakeholders of UGC CARE are researchers, job aspirants, and institutions. Majority of the Indian universities insist the research scholars to publish at least one article in a UGC CARE listed journal before the submission of the thesis. For those who aspire to a career, should realize that an article published in the CARE listed journal is given a double credit than an ordinary peer-reviewed journal. As per the public notice by UGC on 16th September 2019, the Vice Chancellor, Selection Committee, Screening Committees, Research Supervisors, and all experts involved in academic performance evaluation and assessment are advised to ensure that the decision on selection, promotion, credit allotment, and award of research degrees must be based on the quality of published work rather than just number of publications. It is also notified by UGC that all higher education institutions should subscribe to UGC CARE listed journals. I will show you how to register with UGC CARE. This is the website of UGC CARE. The domain name reveals that UGC CARE is the subdomain of University of Pune. Its URL is ugccare.unipune.ac.in. Center for Publication in Ethics of Savitribai Phule Pune University is in charge of the activities of UGC CARE. When we open the home page, the first thing displayed is an alert. Click on the link to get the list of cloned journals, which are basically fake versions on web of printed journals which do not have an online version. UGC CARE insists the students, faculties, and researchers not to publish their articles in such journals so as to avoid getting into such scams. Let's see how to search a journal in the UGC CARE list. When we start to search, the website asks us to log in. To log in, we require a username and a password. If we are new to the site, we have to register by clicking Register here. Fill all the fields for registering. All fields are mandatory. It is demonstrated here very clearly. After entering all the fields, click the Submit button. Then the message Successfully Registered appears. After registering, use the new username and password and log into UGC CARE. Now we are logged in because we can see the button Logged Out. In this page, click on the Select button and scroll down to select Subject. If you wish to get information about the journals in a particular subject, type the name of that subject in the box given Enter Search Value. Here I am typing it as Education. Then click Search. A list of 38 journals in education will appear. 38 journals in education belong to CARE List Group 1. Journals in all disciplines under the CARE List 1 constitute about 934 journals. We can search journals title-wise, ISSN wise, publisher wise, subject wise, and language of publication wise. When we click on the button UGC Care List Group 2, it will lead to a page or an interface comprising of both Group 1 and Group 2. Group 1 can also be searched from this page too. If you want a journal in Group 1, here also you can search subject wise, title wise, ISSN wise, publisher wise, etc. The three links under Careless Group 2 journals is leading us to the same page. If we click on any one of these three links, it will lead us to the home page of the master journal list of Web of Science. This is the home page of the master journal list of Web of Science. Web of Science listed about 24,749 journals in this list. Let us see how to search a journal in a particular discipline of our choice. We can search a journal either by typing ISSN or name of the journal in the search box. To search a journal in a particular subject, scroll the drop down of the category button and select the subject of your choice. We should type all the related keywords in our subject so as to find out the total number of journals in a particular discipline. For example, there are 209 journals listed under the subject education. If we add education research to it, that is education plus education research, it is seen that there are 761 journals listed. If we add related scientific discipline to it, that means education plus education research plus related scientific discipline, we can see that there are 835 journals listed under this category. Next, we are going to add another keyword, special education. So now there are 4 keywords. Then 882 journals are listed under this category. And last, I am adding one more key term, that is education psychology. So our keywords include education, education research, related scientific disciplines, special education, and education psychology. Now 934 journals are listed. So we can say that there are 934 journals in education with all these keywords listed by Web of Science. Next database in the UGC Care List is Scopus. The list of journals in Scopus is termed as Source List. Now, this page is currently displayed. We can see that around 38,000 sources or journals are listed in this page. I'm going to type education and education psychology as the keywords. Let's see how many journals are listed. About 1,585 journals are listed under this category. In addition, we can say that about 163 journals from the MLA directory, Modern Language Association directory, are also listed under UGC Care List. How to recommend a journal to UGC Care. We also have an option to recommend a journal to UGC Care. The process is free of cost. This option is found under the third tab, that is UGC Care List New Submission page. To recommend a journal, first we have to log into UGC Care to view the process of new submission. It is to be noted that colleges and universities are strictly warned not to receive monetary incentives for recommending journals to UGC care. Teaching faculties of colleges or universities can recommend a journal through IQAC of the respective institutions. You can make use of the submission form available in the UGC CARE website to recommend a journal. Any individual or publisher can recommend a journal through a teaching faculty of college or university. Each UGC CARE Council member should validate the information regarding the journal and exhibit the basic information of the journal that has been recommended. The UGC Empowered Committee will approve the journal and eventually the journal will be listed in the UGC CARE list. The links for new submission form and the basic information regarding journals will be provided in the description box below the video. The UGC CARE is updating its CARE list quarterly every year.